Nigeria has the largest annual egg production and second largest chicken population in Africa, according to the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization. However, rising temperatures are threatening poultry farming in the country. The heat stress has forced many farmers out of business in Sokoto State.
So here we try as much as we can to reduce the mortality, but in a year we used to lose like 300, 280, 270 birds. Every year we are losing those birds.
There has been a case in the past of 45 degrees centigrade in Kano, in Sokoto, Maiduguri and the rest like that, which it really led to a lot of loss to poultry farmers.
I'm Blessing Otoibi. For more on this report, visit our website at www.icirnigeria.org.